Take a video of you, buddy.
Okay. I'm gonna take a picture.
You want to swing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like the park?
Yeah.
Aw.
I took a picture with my phone.
You did. You having fun?
Yeah.
You swinging?
Yep.
Yep. What can you do, Rachel? Be careful, honey. Oh, you're in a cage. You still swinging? Got that moment? Got that moment? Yeep. Ah, I caught you.
Oh no!
Snap. Oh. Whoa. He's got some super swinging going here. Hey, Gracie, you want to swing? You having fun, buddy?
Yeah.
They're all the way over there.
Wow.
I think Gracie's probably going to be sliding in a minute here. They're hilarious.
Wow.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You want to see me swing?
Mhm.
All right, I'll swing for you. Say goodbye to the camera.